The Indian Air Force Chief will arrive on a 3-day bilateral visit to France on 20th April, and Dassault Aviation is expected to make a renewed push for 36 Rafale fighter jets with few F4 standard functionalities that will be ready in mid-2022. Under the F4 standard, France has decided to upgrade its radar sensors, helmet-mounted display capabilities, a new diagnostic aid system for predictive maintenance capabilities, integrate 1000 kg variant of Hammer standoff system and next-generation variants of Mica and Meteor air-to-air missiles. The SNICMA M88 engine will be upgraded to the M88B variant to include 3D thrust vectoring capability, while the RBE-2 ASA radar will be upgraded to the RBE-3 standard, and the Spectre self-protection equipment will also be upgraded to Spectre B standard. France has recently placed orders for 367 Mica-NG missiles, and with no clearance for integrating the indigenous Astra Mark I and the Astra Mark II on the Rafale fighters, the Indian Air Force might evaluate the Mica-NG missiles for its 36 Rafale fighters. The Indian Air Force has released 2 tenders to Hindustan Aeronautics that includes modification of Su-30 fighter jets to carry the Mach 3.5 capable Rudram-3 air-launched tactical cruise missile, and the 100 km range Gaurav winged air-to-ground weapon and 30 km range Gautam non-wing variant. The DRDO is also planning to develop a separate ground-based variant of the Rudram-3 to be launched from a mobile launcher. Hindustan Aeronautics has already modified 5 Su-30 fighters to carry the 160 km range Astra Mark II missile, and the DRDO and Indian Air Force will soon start its fast-track development cum user trial. Adani Defence Systems has demonstrated its free drone system to government agencies, which is a 360-degree advanced anti-drone protection system developed in partnership with Elbit Systems of Israel. The RE-drone is designed to detect, identify, track and target different types of drones that are flown within a range of radio frequency communication protocols. The RE-drone system is also capable to disrupt the communication of loitering drones with its operator, thus safeguarding vital military and strategic installations. During an industrial interaction with the South Korean Defense Minister, the Secretary of Department of Defense Production has said that India and South Korea are looking forward to elevate their defense trade from a traditional bilateral relationship to co-development and co-production defense partners. India's relationship with South Korea is seen as a Quad-plus collaboration that has huge prospects in defense exports to friendly nations in the region. The South Korean Defense Minister also witnessed the operational capabilities of the Parachute Brigade of the Indian Army. Amid speculation over Indian Army's participation in a forthcoming multinational military exercise in Pakistan, the Indian Army has said that it has not received any proposal for participation, while Pakistani media has reported that Pakistani military has not yet decided whether it would invite India for the multinational exercise. US President Joe Biden has said that the United States is working with its partners and allies to hold China accountable in the region, and also press China to follow the rules on a range of issues including the South China Sea. He also said that he will soon invite an alliance of democracies to Washington, D.C. to discuss the future.
Omar dropped it.